Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install VC102428 on our GT500 EcoBoost Mustang. We didn't want to miss the family time, so we brought it home to do the installation for, you know, the Super Bowl. Let's see who wins. This rear louver comes with some protection damping strip, and then it comes with 3M, and it also comes with adhesive promoter. In this case, we're gonna go ahead and use the 3M tape that we sell just because it is a little bit more fresher than the one that we got from production team, since it's been sitting there for some time. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. You could also find it on the links below that we're gonna leave on this video. So we want to go ahead and flip over the louvers and grab some alcohol and a towel. For this section, you could go ahead and sand this down if you like. This one is pre-sanded already, so we're just gonna go ahead and spray the alcohol. You might want to also heat this up with a heat gun. It does help for the adhesive to stick better, or you could just apply it after you apply this, apply some heat and then press it down. In the inside, that's how it looks, and then on the outside. Now we have to apply the 3M. This is gonna help for, like, I guess, debris and water to go in, and then it's gonna help with if it rattles when you're driving. So we're gonna go ahead and start applying the 3M tape. I'm gonna clean the area again with some alcohol. Grab some of the adhesive promoter. So after you're done applying all the 3M, you want to go ahead and press it down before we apply it to the car. All right, so you want to make sure your rear window is nicely clean, so you're going to spray some alcohol. Make sure it's 100% not diluted. And then just wipe it down. Don't use Rain-X because it will fly off. So we're gonna go ahead and take off the protection on the 3M. Of course, before you do any type of install, you want to go ahead and test fit the product, because if you don't like it after it's installed, I don't know what customer service is gonna tell you. So now we removed the whole 3M protection. We're gonna wing it, so if we mess up, we mess up. We're not gonna mess up. A1. I'm gonna grab my partner real quick and we're gonna put it onto the car. So we're not gonna lay it down yet until Ben tells us if it's in the middle. So on the top, it should be like at least at the corner. I think it looks good there. So we're adding some pressure now. Make sure that it's making contact with the window. Just give it a nice tug and see if it pulls off. I do recommend leaving this overnight. Do not drive it after you install it, just so it could cure correctly. But that's it. So that's a wrap. That was a successful install on the VC102428. We are at a good timing right now, so that means that we'll be able to watch the Super Bowl Let us know in the comments below who you were rooting for, and then we'll make sure you guys use those promo codes on your next buy. And check out our vinyl wrap, exhaust system, carbon fiber spoiler, carbon fiber steering wheel, hood, bumper, aero package, whatever you guys need. Make sure to like and subscribe, leave comments below, follow our Facebook groups, share your videos, pictures, tag us, and then yeah, we're out.